Okay, I'm gonna go to class, guys. Let's go.
Bye. Alright guys, school's over and
What's up, everyone? But I would vlog right now, but my phone is dead.
so he's not coming out to vlog today, but tomorrow. But we are gonna make a video today.
Yo, man. Yo, my name is Pickles. I'm so cute, man. Yo, man. Yo. Cute. Look how cute Izzy is.
It's Izzy. It's Bobby's girlfriend.
How are you, Izzy?
Guys, look at that view and all the clouds.
Look at this. Look at.
Alright, we're about to leave. We're going skateboarding.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the park. Alright, so this is like the funnest spot because it's like super flat and it's like downhill. But almost to the park now. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. Just hang out, I guess. Alright, we made it. Super nice day today. And then you look this way. It's gonna rain.
What's up, guys?
No, gotta figure out what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do, bye.
I don't even know, honestly.
Bye, guys. See ya. Alright, those were just our friends. They just left.
Yeah. But first, let me just take this phone real quick. So, sorry. Look how beautiful the view is right now. Like legit, dude. Like legit. And so beautiful.
They see the view.
And right here too. Oh yeah.
Calm down, they seen the view.
And look at that
Never
view.
Check out those trees over there. Doesn't even look like it's gonna rain from this view. Then you look over here. It's like, oh my. Bobby threw his skateboard up in there and caught it. And it hurt his thumb. He said it's numb. Alright guys, about to leave.
Yeah, we're about to leave, guys. We're about to leave.
And see you back at the house. Guys,
we fell off his skateboard.
fell off my skateboard and it hurt. I landed my hands and my hands all scraped up. Bobby saw it all, witness. It hurt. Alright, Bobby, I'm gonna send you home with some stuff, alright? So you can make the walk. You're welcome. This is Bobby's homie right here. Bye-bye, Kiwi. Alright, Bobby. See you tomorrow.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
See ya. See you tomorrow. Bye, Bobby. Bye, Bobby.
Stop, bro.
See you tomorrow. What's up, Kiwi? What's up, little Kiwi? Alright, Bobby left. Now, I'm gonna be picking some grapes because I'm hungry and I don't know what else to do, so. Grapes. Alright, made it back. I just made some food with zucchini and stuff. Eating some like baked beans and gonna go to bed after that.
Tinena.
So, man.
Tinena.
Or watch a movie. I don't know.
Took me to the candy shop. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Good looking teeth right there, huh?
Or do you still have a welt on your leg? Or did you even get a welt?
I didn't even
You didn't even get a welt.
Alright guys, it's hard to see me, but it's dark now. And I am taking out Kiwi. There she is. What's up, little doggy? Alright, going back inside now, and guess we're gonna finish watching the movie.
You take your love away